Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can customize screen clock style in Samsung phone. Let's get started. First of all, open your settings app on your phone. Then if you want to change the clock style, the screen clock style, you can click on lock screen option. It's right here. Then you have to choose clock style. It's right here. Just tap on it and then select the clock style that you like, and I'll go with this one. After you selecting the clock style, you can click on done right here. Alright, and now the clock style has been changed, and that's how we can customize screen clock style in Samsung phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!